guys? You know who it is. It's your boy Alex Audio Tech coming at you guys with another one. We got an unboxing here of a Walmart special, the Skullcandy Bluetooth speaker. I forgot what it's called. The Skullcandy something. We're about to find out together. TX, I think it is. Skullcandy TX, something like that. The Skullcandy TX and my trusty unboxing knife. Love this knife. Well, one of my unboxing knives. And the speaker's big. Wow. Okay. So, you see it right here. Let's flip this over. Get this out of here. Damn, there we go. So we got another box to go through, guys. They made sure this speaker was really, you know, taken care of. Because I'm like, what the hell? This ain't the speaker box. Let me slice through this thing. So I didn't even cut deep enough to cut through that. Oh yes, I did. I was wrong. This knife is really sharp, like this. So this speaker, the Skullcandy, I think it's called TX, without the strap. The new one without the strap. The old one brung the strap. Alright, I was just worried. I was like, damn. But no, I need to worry about that. Okay, so let's turn it this way. So the speaker is more expensive on Amazon, so I got it cheaper. Freaking at Walmart. Here we go. The speaker in its full glory. I can download the app right there. Okay. So see, it says Skullcandy right here on the side. And in the front, yeah, no, TX. Skullcandy. But hold on. Zoom it out so you guys can see. Skullcandy. Let me see. That B word for me is hard to read. You guys know I'm dyslexic. And I don't want to get a headache trying to focus a whole lot. So the first 3 minutes of this video is unboxing this huge thing. Jesus. I'm glad they protected it really good though. Glad they did that. So anyway, hold on guys. I'm looking for Google Translator because that's what helps me. So give me a second, guys. Yo, I do got Google Translator on this phone. I just forgot where I put it at. Jesus Christ. Google Translator. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. So sadly, I don't. Well, yes, I can still put the Amazon affiliate link, but the Amazon affiliate link is going to cost more. Barrel. Oh, Jesus. So it's the Skullcandy Barrel XT. 12-hour battery life, IPX5. It says IPX5 water resistant and IPX5 resistant. And I don't know what that's. I can't. And it has LED lights. Okay, so let's get this thing unboxed. Where the hell did I just throw the knife? Consider this one a blooper. Look at that. It got damaged right there. Jesus, they dropped this thing super hard. FedEx, because for it to get damaged right there, and the damage went through the box. So all 3 boxes. Because look, even the box that it was in, the hole's right there. Even, I think this box, yep, look. Even the first box that came out of has that huge hole. So yeah, I'm glad I'm showing this on the unboxing video. Go. I hope this one's easy to pair. Let's get this thing open. There you go. What's in here? Of course, the charger. The charging brick is on one side, and then the cables are on this side, and some stickers from Skullcandy. So let's get this speaker out of here. Okay, damn, this thing is huge. It is huge. It is a really big speaker. Wow, this thing is huge. This thing is like really, really big. Well, let's get it out this packaging. There we go. See, I didn't have to really break the paper packaging. So this one just doesn't come with the straps, okay? This one does not come with the straps. So, Jesus, this is a huge speaker. God, Lord. This is one of the biggest speakers I own. It's even freaking bigger than the Soundcore Motion Boom 2 Plus. We're going to put them side by side. Just for comparison purposes, guys. For no other purpose than comparison purposes. Look at this. This is the Soundcore Motion Boom 2 and Plus, and then that's the Skullcandy. The Skullcandy is super duper big. I'm just surprised at how big the speaker actually is, guys. I'm like in shock that the speaker is so freaking huge. Because it is big. I mean, I got it in blue because blue's my favorite color. Let's see if it has any charge. Okay, and here we got the radiator. It has the skull for Skullcandy. Did not see the back of it. The back of it has, of course, the charger, the USB Type-C. What's that USB Type-C for? Is that in an out port? I'm trying to see. Where's my flash? Because this, when it's all blue like this, it's hard to see. Okay, that USB Type-C is for something else. Yeah, out, charge out. So it's for reverse charging for it being a power bank. And then we got the usual USB Type-A, and then we got the auxiliary cord, and then the cord right there. They should have made it compatible with USB Type-C to charge the speaker as well, instead of just the wall charger. But yeah, this has got to be closed really good. See, it's a big flap, so I'm surprised it's just IPX5 water, resistant and not waterproof with that big flap it has. But this is a massive speaker, guys. It is a massive speaker. So let's connect it to my iPhone 14 Pro. The 15 Pro is upstairs charging. It's connected to my 15 Pro. My 14 Pro. And it says it's ready to pair, but it's not coming out under my Bluetooth. It came with 2 bars of battery life. So I like this on the top, that it shows the bars of battery life, 1, 2, and it has 4. Then we have the light show, the Bluetooth, volume down, play, plus, the plus button, and then the power button right here. Well, the plus button is to bring up the volume, of course. Okay, no. All I'm picking up is my neighbor's TV's 85-inch something. TV, and this is the Echo Show. So for some reason, the Skullcandy, it says ready to pair, but it's not popping up. That's crazy. Oh, no, there you go. The Bluetooth had turned off. That's what happened. I like that. It kind of looks like the Knight Rider. Okay, so under, it says Skullcandy right there on the Bluetooth.
Ready to pair. Connected.
It says the name of the speaker. So we are connected. And this is the little light show on the top. You could change that. I mean, you can make it look different. As you guys can see here. Different colors. And then, of course, I'm pretty sure you guys could turn it all the way off. Grizzly's in the room with me. Just set it all blue. And you can set it like to go like that and all blue. And then you could just, I thought I turned it off. I don't know how to turn off the lights on this speaker. I love blue. Blue's my favorite color. So yeah, that's the light show for you guys. Now let's play some non-copyrighted music, baby. And of course, we're gonna start off with my favorite non-copyright song, which is this one. Jesus, this is like at 20%. And supposedly under the description on Amazon, this thing has 20 watts. I don't think this thing has 20 watts. That information is incorrect. So that's at 20%, and it's pretty loud. That's at 30%. 5%.
Best to give me your loyalty.
That's 50%.
I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty. 'Cause I'm taking the world,
So we're gonna put it at 100%. Turn the bass boost button up, so let's see how the capacitive radiators weren't moving as much. So now that we turned up we turned on the bass boost, let's see what happens. will say this, for such a huge behemoth speaker, it's loud, but it's not like, how can I say this? I don't know how many watts the speaker is, so I can't. I would say, as loud as it goes, I would think this speaker's only like 50 to 60 watts, to be completely honest with you guys. This thing is not louder than the Soundcore Boom 2. This thing is not louder than the Zealot S78. This thing is not louder than, what other speaker that I got that's huge? The Soundcore. Oh yeah, the Earfun. You know, the Earfun Boombox X, or U-Boom X. So this is like in the realms of the Zealot S97 that I got. I think it's 97, or I forget. I got the box right here. Let me look at it real quick. I got the box right here with the speaker in it. So I would say this is in the realms of the, yeah, I was right, the Zealot S97. It has around 70 to 80 watts output. But for such a huge speaker, you would expect at least, I don't know, like 150 watts. I guess it would have been way more money if it would have been that expensive. Can it still get loud enough where you could dance and throw like a little party? Yes. Is the light show cool? Yes. Does the speaker look great? Yes. Me in my personal opinion, I wish it was a little bit louder. It's just me. I guess I'm nitpicking because everybody else that has it loves this speaker. People that know more about speakers than I do love this speaker. I just like loud things, man. Ever since I was little, I was listening to music, so I love loud things. So, do I recommend it? Yes. Do I have an affiliate link from Walmart? I mean, I guess I could try to see if I could copy and paste or do something. For the price at Walmart of $79.99, I paid $84.84. Yeah, $84.84 with taxes. Is definitely a hell of a deal. A hell of a deal. But at $179, I was not going to pay that for this speaker. This speaker is a freaking behemoth. This is something you want to keep in your house, to be completely honest. I don't trust that water resistant stuff. If it was waterproof like the rest of my speakers, like the Zealots, like my Soundcore, like the U-Boom that are waterproof, my Tron Smarts that are waterproof, and every other speaker that I have that's waterproof and not water resistant, then I would take it outside. You know, and stuff like that. But this thing is pretty heavy. You know what I'm saying? It is pretty heavy. I would say this thing is heavier. I'm not even joking. This thing is heavier than my Soundcore. You know, than my Soundcore. My Soundcore Boom 2 Plus. This thing is heavier than it. You know, and it's just a behemoth of a speaker. So I would expect it to be, you know, really, really loud. But it gets loud enough, I would say. But I would have liked it if it was louder. You know what I'm saying? So I'm glad I paid it 84 instead of 184. So I saved $100 basically. So let's play my other non-copyrighted song to see how, you know, how smoothly this goes. button does work, guys. It does, you know, work. I'm pretty sure this speaker sounds way louder on copyrighted music, you know, so I'm not gonna bash it because I forgot this is copyrighted music. I'm pretty sure on non-copyrighted music, this speaker is gonna sound super loud. So what I'm gonna do, I know I have never done this. I have never edited a video on this channel yet. You know, I edited to put my intro, but I have never edited to actually, you know. But anyway, I'll let you guys. I'll do a shorts one of these days, or I'll do a review, because I really don't feel like, you know, stopping the video to go play non-copyrighted music and then come and talk again and say, yeah, yo, this thing sounds amazing. Matter of fact, you know, I want to give you my honest opinion, because I feel like I've been going in on the Skullcandy, you know, the Skullcandy, what is it called again? Jesus Christ, I can't. Jesus, I can't even remember the name.
Barrel.
Okay, barrel. Damn, that's supposed to be easy. It looks like a barrel. So I feel like I'm going in too deep on the Skullcandy barrel. So let me play some non-copyrighted music. Of course, I'm going to end this video because I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube. And I will give you guys my honest opinion. The boost up button for the bass and the sounds louder. So I would say keep that on. I'll come back, guys, with my honest opinion after hearing non-copyrighted music. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, after playing half of a copyrighted song, 3 minutes, one of my favorite songs from Cocuyuela and Darel, you know, you could consider it reggaeton, because it's not trap, that's a reggaeton beat. You know, it's loud. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. It is loud. It is definitely louder than it is on copyrighted music. And this boost up button, definitely worth keeping it on, seriously. So to me, this speaker is a major win. I could see why they priced it at $180, because it is loud. So I highly recommend it, man. I highly recommend it. Highly, highly, highly recommend it. I wish, you know, Amazon would have had it on sale, but they don't. Shout out to I forget your name, bro. You guys, you know I'm dyslexic, bro. Jagged's Reviews. I forget his name. Oh my God, I forget his name. But he's the one who posted this on his YouTube channel. And on the community tab, he posted that the speaker was on sale for $79.99 at Walmart. So that's why I decided to get out. So shout out to him. Appreciate you, bro. But yeah, the speaker is a go. I'm going to call it a go. Definitely for $79.99, get yourself the Skullcandy Barrel XT. It's definitely worth the money. For $79.99, get yourself one. You won't regret it. And I'm definitely going to catch you guys on the next one, guys. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for any questions. Take care. God bless and be safe. You already, and thank you for watching. And this speaker is a major go. Get yourself one. Thank you.